Hello and welcome to What Can You Build with Lego? This is a new YouTube channel about how to build Lego pieces with Lego structures and cars and anything, and experiencing how you can feel with your Lego pieces. So today we are going to build a space rover. Right, so we have all these pieces. So first, you have to get one of these. For instance, this here, you can see these, but that's for later. Now, we're gonna need these glass blocks here, you can see. We need 2 of them, and we're gonna put them on the side of this car over here. Bing, as you can see. And then we're gonna have to take this glass, and we're gonna have to put it here, and then we're gonna have to put it here. Now when you have a structure like this, basically, what we want to do next is then, oh yes, we're going to have to take this stair piece, and then what we want to do with the stair piece, we will put this safe kind of thing on here. So I have a structure like this, basically. Now on the front, you can see here, well, not on that one, and there. So, you know those little pieces that are like the 2 dots? Yes. You need one with the hook there, and then you're going to have to take this slide piece and put it on there. Now, since we have the slide piece here, we're going to have to put this on the front of the car for a hooking, in case like any aliens or guys come, to make it have a nice style about it. Now, yeah, good. Alright, now after you have it like this, kinda like this, sorta like this structure, you're gonna want to push this up to the maximum, and as you can see, they're orderly the same. Now since you have this hook on the front, what we're gonna have to do next is we're gonna have to add this. Yes. So I haven't told you how to build this yet. So we're not gonna add that, but we're gonna add this piece right here. Yes. We're going to add it like this, one side in, one side out. Now we're going to take, this piece, this piece. And then what we want to do with that piece, I already built this, so we need this piece, What we're going to do with this piece is put it, not working. So what we're going to do is, at this moment, right, what we want to do, strings are working. I know how frustrating Lego is sometimes. Okay, good. Now, since we have this car here, we're going to want to add this, remove that because we made a mistake, and add this here. So then, you're going to want to take, where is it? I can't find it. So yeah, at the meantime, if you have one like this, well, for instance this dot, you're gonna want to put it here to make it you're gonna take this piece off so it doesn't break your entire building, and then you're gonna put it like this, so it looks like an eye scanner device. Now you're gonna have to want to take this off again, put this here, but it looks like it's some kind of control for it. Now, after you have that sorted, we're gonna want to take this, put it here, and then you're gonna have a kind of structure like this. Now, what we're gonna do is we are gonna add C. Yeah, we're going to add this and these to our build. Now, we're gonna take this here, take this here, we're gonna put it right here. So you got it? Right. Now, what we're gonna have to do is put this here, here. God dang it. Yeah, so we're gonna put this here. Yeah, we're gonna put this here back because I kind of broke it. Yeah. So after we have the stairpiece here, we're going to want to add these right here. Sorry, right here and right here. And we're gonna want to add this thing, this in here. And we're gonna have this yellow stuff on the sides on top of the glass. And we're gonna take this yellow piece, yeah, and then we're gonna put it here next to the eye scanner device, right there. So then it's gonna kind of look like this. There. Now you have yourself a nice, hopefully not destroyed, cool car. Now what you can do with it is you can turn it to any direction you want. And this is the first video. I hope you love it and like and subscribe to see some more videos. Bye!